Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and message seller on Etsy. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we will simply start our video. So for that matter, what you have to do is simply gonna go ahead first access a particular Etsy app on your mobile phone. You can do it from website as well. Now go to home section, and here in the section you're gonna go ahead find all kinds of products and stuff, right? Go ahead, search a particular one on top and simply go ahead, search it up. Once you have done so, go ahead and tap on the particular shoes that you would like. So let's say we would like to contact the seller, right? We're gonna scroll down, we'll find all kind of reviews, and here in this section below we can see Pimentel, owner of a Pimentel Co., the name of the particular seller, including this follow shop and message seller. We can tap on it, and now this will be the message link, and here in this message we can go ahead, simply type in whatever we want. We can cross this out, and that we will be able to do it. And we can also add the attachments by simply typing on add up to 3 photos, what we want to ask them, like is this product available in your shop, etc. And we can tap on this send, and the message will be sent to sender. So that is the way you can do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.